Welcome friends in our another session of Panasonic Robot Training How to Use the Teach Pendant Part 8. Here we discuss Teach Program Programming Procedure. Perform the teaching operation to create a program of teaching data such as robot movement and task procedures. Operation Flow 1. Create a new file program where teaching data will be saved. Second, perform teaching operation to register commands. During or after teaching operation, perform trace operation to check and correct taught data. Fourth, edit details during or after completing teaching or trace operation to complete the program. Once completed, run the program in auto mode to move the robot. Next is robot movement data. Movements of robot arms are determined by registering position data, so-called teaching points in a program. Each teaching point contains information about position. Robot travel method from the teaching point to the next teaching point and with or without welding operation. Teaching point. Here one table is given of interpolation. In first PTP, move P, joint movement, and symbol of joint movement is this. Second, linear, move L. The robot follows a straight path from a point to the next point. The symbol of L is this. Circular, move C. The robot follows a circular path determined by 3 teaching points. The symbol of circular is this. Linear weaving, move LW. The robot follows a zigzag course on a straight path. The symbol of linear weaving is this. Last is circular weaving, move CW. The robot follows a zigzag course on a circular path. The symbol of circular weaving is this. Now we come to your data to be registered. First, position of the teaching point coordinate data. Travel speed toward the teaching point. Sequence commands of robot operation at the teaching point. The welding operation starts from the teaching point. The weld point is registered. Travel method toward the teaching point. Interpolation. Next is supplementary notes. For circular or weaving points, a move command for circular or weaving interpolation is registered on all points in the circular or weaving interpolation section, including starting and ending points to clarify the section to be applied. Now next is create a new file. So here we discuss how to create a new file in Teach Pendant. Create a file to register data in teaching operation. On the file, register teaching points and sequence commands with teach or file edit operation. Here you can see the image of file creation, new file creation. Click R file new. Here you can see file type program, auto name, file name program 0001, browse, comment, tool, mechanism, welder, user coordinate, OK, cancel. Free memory size about 25933 commands. Now first, from the menu bar, click file and then click new. Second, on the new setting dialog box, specify the setting items such as file name and comment. Then click OK. File type, specify a file type from program arc start or arc end. Program a file to register, move commands and sequence commands in stored in the controller of the system. Arc start a file to register commands to be called by the arc start sequence stored in arc start folder. Controller of the system, welding arc start, arc end, a file to register commands to be called by the arc end sequence stored in arc end folder. Controller of the system, welding arc end. File name, you can enter up to 28 alphanumeric characters. You can either use the automatically initially a file name is automatically created file name or rename it. Comment, enter the contents of the file to register. Tool, select one from the list of tool numbers of the tools attached to the manipulator such as welding torch and registered as offset data. Mechanism, specify the mechanism you are going to work in. It is factory set to 1 mechanism 1 at shipment. Welder, the welder number used in the current program. This setting item is available when towers characteristics switching has been added to the system. User coordinates, a user coordinate number used in the current program. This setting item is not displayed if switching every program in user coordinate system settings has not been selected. Next, then a new program to register teaching points is displayed. Here you can see a important note. User coordinate information is displayed at the top of the program. None. Robot coordinates 1 user 01 user coordinate system number 1, second user 02 user coordinate system number 2, 30 user 30 user coordinate system number 30. Only none is displayed if there is no defined user coordinate system. Here you can see this image. Here you can see program 0017 make one robot user begin a program. Here you can also see user XX. XX represents a specified user coordinate number. User question mark when the specified user coordinate becomes invalid, the robot coordinate system is applied. So friends, here we end our this session, and further information we discuss in our next video. So subscribe this our YouTube channel to get such informations regarding robotics and any concepts of automation. So till then, stay safe and take care.